4583 Fulton. This is your first update video. I'm going to go back here because he did get a lot. We're really moving on this house here, so that's his helpers there. What's their names?
Peanut and Q, father and son.
What is it?
Peanut and Q.
Peanut and Q. And so here's this. So we painted this garage. It's all cleaned up. It looks really good. If you remember, it was kind of bad. So and here's the back of the house. Let's go inside. It's about 3:30 on Thursday. So let's start down here in the basement. He started down here. You can see all this is done. We got a dry lock. It really looks good, this dry lock. It really seals it, keeps it looking clean. We'll paint the floor too. So you can see how nice it looks now with that bathroom. We'll get that done too. And we did all that. And we had to get another paint for down there, but we're gonna do it, take care of it. Let's go upstairs. So you'll be getting these until we finish. So yeah, let's go in here. So you can see here's the paint, here's the color of the paint. All that. Here's the toilet. See how nice this looks? And they got these ceiling all sprayed here. See here, he's got the wood floors covered. All the ceilings are there.
Floors covered.
Yep, down here, all of it. Then this is drying over there. That's why you see some streaks. They just painted it. You can see here they're getting this done. All right, and then he's gonna get these tile colored, and we already painted in here, so it looks really nice in here. It's really nice. And he's taking care of this. You gotta coat this first, don't you?
Yep.
So you can see he's getting all that. The ceiling's all painted, but he's putting a kind of a primer on there before we paint it. Let's go upstairs here. This one's a big bed, a lot of walking, plenty of exercise. It's a big house actually. Here's one of the closets. And you can see here he's got all the, get the first spray in here. So here's that. So it's coming along. You know, we've been working on it for about 4 days, so it looks really good. So we hope to have this one done in the next 2 weeks, get this up for rent. So this is your update video. I appreciate it. Thanks. Have a great day. If you like this video, I manage a lot of rental properties, investment properties for people. We buy them, rent them, rehab them, lease them, manage them, sell them, whatever it is, we take care of it. I'm Brett with Fathom Realty, 216-703-5740. And please like and subscribe to this channel. Have a great day. Thanks.